Hey, what is up everybody? So in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys the best tips and tricks that you can use to conserve battery life on your Samsung smartwatch. This video is for both Samsung Galaxy Watch and the Watch Active 2, as now both of them work on the exact same software, Tizen 4.0.7. So let's get started. So the first tip is regarding Wi-Fi of your smartwatch. Basically, your watch continuously searches for nearby Wi-Fi devices when it's in automatic mode. But if you turn off the Wi-Fi completely, it will save a bit battery along with your internet services will still work via Bluetooth connection. In the same way, if you don't use NFC on your smartwatch, you can turn it off in order to avoid battery drain. The next tip is regarding screen, as it drains most of the battery. You can keep the brightness to 5 or 6, that is great for both indoors and outdoors. Further, you can go into the settings, then just scroll down to display. And here select auto low brightness and turn it on. In this way it will automatically increase the brightness in direct sunlight. And also keep the screen timeout up to 30 seconds or 15 seconds. To conserve even more battery life, just turn off the AOD mode, and also you can use a darker watch face to conserve battery life, as it is an AMOLED display, so the black face will turn off most of the pixels. And guys, moving on to the next tip, it is regarding heart rate sensor. As you know, the watch has the capability to record your heart rate continuously throughout the day, which means heart rate sensor will work every time in the background, and it will drain a lot of battery life. In order to avoid it, just go into the Samsung Health, then scroll down to heart rate, and here just press this setting icon and choose every 10 minutes while still. It will continue to record your heart rate continuously while you're working out, but when you're sitting idle or when you're sleeping, it will measure your heart rate after every 10 minutes. If you use your watch while sleeping, just turn on the good night mode. This will stop every notification on your watch. It will not vibrate and not turn on the display, but still your alarm will continue to work. So it's a great way to conserve battery life while sleeping and also wearing the watch at the same time. The next tip is regarding Bixby. It is okay if you use Bixby, I'll not say just turn it off, but in Bixby settings voice wake up is turned on, which means the watch will always look for a Hey Bixby voice. You can just turn it off and manually activate the Bixby via the physical button. Just go into the settings, here scroll down to advanced, and now select double press home key and choose Bixby. In this way you can turn on Bixby, and also you can avoid accidental triggers of Bixby activation. Next guys, if you use a lot of apps on your watch, for example here I go to weather application, and to go back I just press the home button. But in this way the app will continue to run in the background, which is the major cause of battery drain. In order to avoid it, just press the home button and then select recent apps. Now you can close all the recent apps running in the background. So in order to save battery life on your watch. And guys, last tip I want to mention is regarding notifications. So you can select the main notifications to appear on your watch by going into the wearable application on your phone, and here just select notifications, so you can see only those notifications are present that I like to see on my watch, like message, call, email, Twitter, Insta, etc. So now your watch will avoid any unwanted notification and will save a bit more battery. So guys, these were the major tips and tricks that you can use to save battery life on your smartwatch without losing much of the smartwatch features. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye.